Welcome to this tutorial on parsing XML in Python. XML is widely used for data storage and transfer, and Python offers a range of libraries to handle XML parsing efficiently. In this video, we'll explore both standard and third-party libraries to parse XML documents effectively. Before we dive into parsing XML, let's install the necessary Python libraries. Let's start with xml.etree, a lightweight and efficient library in Python's standard library for parsing XML data. We'll use an XML URL for demonstration. Next, we have minidom, which provides a minimal DOM implementation. This library is useful for small XML documents. xml.sax is an event-driven parser that processes XML files without loading the entire document into memory, making it suitable for large XML files. For high-performance XML parsing, lxml is a powerful library that supports XPath and XSLT, providing more advanced features than the standard libraries. BeautifulSoup is known for parsing HTML, but also works well with XML, especially if the XML is malformed. It provides a simple and forgiving API. Untangle is a library that converts XML data to Python objects, simplifying the navigation of XML structures. In this video, we explored several libraries for XML parsing in Python, each with unique features and use cases. Choose the library that best fits your project needs, whether it's for simplicity, performance, or forgiving parsing. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.